Hi, good evening all. My name is Aparna. I'm from Mumbai. So I have attended high and meta courses what Vishal sir have conducted. It has been very what to say, it's a mind blowing experience. Actually, Vishal has revealed many of the things how we have to live off our life, like including our diet, exercises, and this exposure to sun, how nature is beneficial to us, and in what way we can maintain our health and good relationships, and the positivity in our daily life. So the affirmations what he has told, and the proper vitamins and protein intake what we have to take. And he also revealed about the types of water in what way we have to consume, and the quantity what we have to eat. And he has covered most of the topics related to health and well-being of a person. It has been helpful a lot for me, because I have it has helped me improve myself in terms of health, and my way of life has been improving a lot by after following his instructions. It is really worthy of attending all his classes. I'm very happy that I have enrolled into his some of the programs, and it is he has really made us understand the way the food works on us. Actually, otherwise we would have combined different meals with fruits and vegetables, and he has revealed how diet is important, and the way how we keep ourselves active and healthy only by means of diet and everything. So it is a mind-blowing experience. I wish everyone to join these courses and take his guidance to live a healthy and happy life. Thank you.